Welcome to Instagram Marketing for Realtors, where we're going to go over the best, the most effective marketing strategies that are going to have potential clients knocking down your door. Okay, let's not get too carried away. So here's a tip on how to actually get results on Instagram. The secret is engagement. No, not that kind. What I mean by engagement is engagement with your posts. Because when a potential prospect engages with your post, they are basically opening the door for a conversation, and a conversation could lead to a potential client. The best way to do this is to use the poll or question sticker on Instagram stories and ask a real estate related question. For example, you can do a quiz and ask the questions. When it comes to selecting a realtor, you A, haven't the slightest idea on how to hire one, B, you're likely going to go with just someone you know, or C, I don't need a realtor. So now you know that whoever selected A or B is in the market for a realtor, and that gives you the opportunity to slide into their DMs and continue the conversation. Basically, you would just say, thank you so much for participating in my questionnaire. I noticed that you selected X, and then continue the conversation from there. Okay, so here we are in my Instagram, and I'm going to quickly show you how to actually do this on your Instagram. So first, what you want to do is click on your image in the top left to get to your stories. And once you're in your stories, you're actually going to want to click on the letters where it says create. And then at the very bottom right, you'll see a color circle. You can click on that multiple times until you see a color that you actually like, or what you can do is you can press down and hold it. And then you can select a very specific color if you're looking for a specific color. So for me, I kind of go with a light pink. So that's kind of typically my brand. We're going to go with that. And then what you want to do is you want to click at the very top for stickers, and it's the one that kind of looks like a smiley face. So I'm going to click on that. And here's where all the stickers are. So you see here, polls, questions, countdown, quiz. My favorite one to use is the quiz. So I'm going to click on the quiz. And in the black section is where you actually write what your question is. So I'm going to just put question, but you would actually write out the entire question. And then you give your different options. So I'm going to just say A, B, and C. And you can do up to 4. So this is where all the answers would be. Ignore the green part. The green part is usually for when it's the right answer. But for this purpose, you don't need to do that. And don't worry, they won't actually see what's highlighted in green. It will just all look like different options to them. All right, so once you've written out your questions, obviously don't say A, B, C, D. I just did that as an example to show you. You click done, and then you center it wherever you want it. Okay, you can also add hashtags, things like that. Again, from the sticker option, you can do mention a location. It's always good if you're a realtor to mention the location. Hashtag, you could say real estate. Okay, and once you're done that, you just click the bottom left where it says your story, and that will post to your stories.